Today's basic question is, what is Islam? I would like to give you 11 points on that one. First, the word Islam means peace and submission. Secondly, peace means to be at peace with yourself and with around your surrounding and the environment. Submission means submission to submit to the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala alone. In a broader meaning of the word Islam is to achieve peace by submitting to the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Fifth, this is a unique religion with a name which signifies a moral attitude and a way of life. Let us examine other religions, how they have taken their name. Judaism takes its name from the tribe of Judah. Christianity takes its name from Jesus Christ. Buddhism takes its name from Gautam Buddha. And Hinduism takes its name from Indus River. However, Muslims derive their identity from the message of Islam rather than the person Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Thus, Muslims should not be called Muhammadan, they should be called Muslims and Muslims only. Thank you.